You've just received the repair bill for your laboratory's centrifuge, and it's the equivalent of a small fortune. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 3 witty yet practical ways to capitate repair costs for medical and laboratory equipment. Grab your lab coats and let's dive in. Number 1. Research suggests that preventative maintenance can reduce the likelihood of unexpected equipment breakdowns by 12 to 18%, so schedule regular checkups to save yourself from costly surprises. Number 2. Understanding your equipment's life cycle and maintenance needs is key. Don't be afraid to read those lengthy manuals. After all, knowledge is power, and it can save you money. Number 3. Consider diversifying your equipment suppliers. If one company raises its prices, you'll have the flexibility to jump ship and find a better deal.